I think I finally cracked the code on why worms escape the bin. I started my first worm farming journey back in 2014. That's when I uploaded my first YouTube video. And when I first started out, I was always told if the bedding's too dry, worms will be uncomfortable, and that is true. And the point is because worms need moisture, so moist bedding is a factor to keep your worms from escaping the bin. Now, if the bedding was too wet, it could be an issue too. And also if there was too many food scraps in a worm bin. But now, come to think of it, many years later, where did you buy your worms? That is my question for you as of right now. When I started out, I bought my worms from Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. And I'm thinking the reason why the worms escape is because there is a mixture of red wigglers and blue worms that are in the bins. And that is why, because blue worms have a different temperament compared to red wigglers. So that is the problem. It could be that the blue worms are the ones trying to escape while your red wigglers are in the bin. So if you want to solve that problem, you have two options. You can either pick the worms out, separate from the blues and the reds and start over, or you can buy a different type of worm, such as European night crawlers or red wigglers, 100% pure red wigglers, because there are people out there that do sell pure red wigglers. So what are your thoughts? Do you think it is because there is a mixture of reds and blues? Because I bought worms from Uncle Jim's Worm Farm, and if you buy worms from any vendor, always read the fine print. But let's talk about the comparison between red wigglers and blue worms so you won't have any other issues when it comes to noticing the difference with your worms. Here's another video.